LUCA AICell is a bioplatform company in South Korea that utilizes the core technology of biomimetic cell membranes to develop new bioplatforms. Let's take a look at our second-generation product, the LUCA NK COVID-19 Ag NP LLB. This product is an in vitro diagnostic device that helps diagnose COVID-19 infections using immunochromatography to qualitatively detect antigens in nasopharyngeal samples of suspected respiratory infections. This product contains 25 tests in one box. The contents of each product are as follows. By applying an anti-fouling coating with LLB on the device's conjugate pad and test line, the inner wall of the buffer tube, and the nozzle cap filter, the detection limit of the sampler required for the test has been reduced, thus enhancing the performance of the LUCA NK COVID-19 Ag NP LLB. A few precautions should be taken before using this diagnostic kit. The following shows how to use this test kit. Please check the device in the foil pouch and confirm the colored signage of the desiccant. After proper specimen collection, place the device on a flat, dry surface. Turn the buffer tube upside down and gently squeeze 2 drops, approximately 100 microliter, into the sample drop site of the device. Read the results within 5 to 10 minutes. Do not read results after 10 minutes. If the colored band appears only on the control line C in the result window, the test result is negative. If the colored bands appear on both the control line C and the test line T in the result window, the test result is positive. If the colored band does not appear on the control line C in the result window, the result is considered invalid and a retest is recommended. Follow these steps to properly utilize our diagnostic kit. Thank you.